Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to open apps using the OS module. So first thing, we need to first import the OS module. So we'll type import OS. Then how to open a file. There is a thing known as start file in OS. So you need to write os.start file and then you need to write the file location of that. So let me just see the file location of PowerPoint. File location. This one, open file location. See program data. This one. We need to copy this. Let me just see. Here is the file location. And add the double quotes. Now what you need to do is write os.start file. Here you need to write the file location. See program data, Microsoft Windows start menu, programs, and then you need, suppose I am trying to open PowerPoint. Let me just write it here. PowerPoint. So what I'm going to write, I'll just write P and C. Here you can see PowerPoint.lng. Click on this. Now what you need to do is just run the program. Open apps. Yes. Now you'll see that not OS. See, PowerPoint is opening all by itself. This shows that our program has worked. So let me explain you the code. First you are going to import the module. Then you wrote start file. Start file is a function in OS in which if you write the file location of a certain file, that file will open instantly. So thank you guys. Let's see in the next video.